Hello dear plot owners of Narnee city. I am your Chief Constable, Dr. B.K. Choudhary, and also known as Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi, who lives in this campus for 20 years. I have a very good relationship with the developer Colonel Ranga Rao and his worthy son Mr. GOKUL. They have done a lot more to give us the wonderful land, wonderful plots, everything. They have tried their best to help us so that we can have really a residential plot in these beautiful natural surroundings, having lakes, having beautiful greeneries all around, having transportation connected by roads and rails. A new dimension, a new feather in the crown has come when the outer ring road of Hyderabad has also joined this Warangal highway. Everything is fine. But there are some requests which unitedly we the customers make to Colonel Ranga Rao and Mr. GOKUL. Make this area secure. Earlier you have so many gates. Me-Too gate, the main gate near Bambino, and the fourth gates and so many fifth gates. But now all are shut down and some are still open, like Me-Too gate is open. Anybody can easily come from this. Daytime you put one guard. But another biggest problem what we are facing, look at the Bambino. Bambino in the SRIAM drug factory. There is a chicken neck or a bottleneck which really connects Narnee city with BiBi NAGAR village or town or mandal, what you call it. And as the Narnee city is so beautiful, everyone wants to come here, not only for walking in the morning, but for learning how to drive car, how to drive motorbikes, and how to enjoy evening with drinks, with lot of liquors, alcohols and beers. I request the customers and the developers, please make this Narnee city a glamorous, a pious, pure, a wonderful place for the honest and sincere customers who trusted in you and they have plots here. Because I stay here, I have the problems. People driving car and learning here on this road, of course, they are this kind of road. You see this my house, what kind of road is here? Here I have done some cementing or something so that it is a little better, but they are very bare bites of the stones. There is only one place, that is the 80 feet wide road connecting sector 1, sector 2 and sector 3, that extends from the two extremes, west and east of Narnee city. Others are yet to be laid. As customers are sleeping in the dormant state of morbid lethargy, they don't know what they have done. I met so many colonels, brigadiers, naval officers and army, and everyone says, no worry, that is just bit investment. That is not very important for us. Because of this kind of respect for their plots, the land has not developed. Without demand there is no supply. And we are not beggars, friends. We have bought this land at a proper price and we are ready to develop this land. Unitedly we can do it. All together. Even the developer has hundreds and thousands of acres of land. We have just 250 square yard land, but Honorable Colonel Ranga Rao has got hundreds and hundreds and thousands of acres of land. He is also a part of our system. So developers and plot owners, we are all one. And the Honorable Colonel Ranga Rao, being one of the wisest men, he has hanged a beautiful plate in his office where he describes the role of a customer as the king. The customers who gives you money, respect, reputation, and you become a monarch, he has declared it and he accepts it. Also you will find a lot of philosophy of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in his diary once used to be circulated. And he really lived by these spirits and thoughts. I really stimulate your intelligence, brothers and sisters, including the developers and the plot owners. Rise to the occasion. Live in perfect harmony and peace in this beautiful Chandigarh of South, the heaven on earth. But we have to be active. Don't be in the dormant state. Activate yourself. You may not love this land, but your generation will enjoy it. Tomorrow this city is going to be so much crowded that you cannot have a little space. Can you dare to buy a plot in Banjara Hill, Jubilee Hill? Not only that, in Tarnaka or in Hafsigura area. Forget about that. Even in all these roads, surroundings of this Nagpur highway, that land rate has gone from lakhs rupees a yard to 2 lakhs rupees a yard. Can you dare to buy this? You are lucky and fortunate that you got a land at a throwaway price, because this was generosity of Colonel Rangarao. He wanted to give a plot to his freedom fighters, the soldiers. That's why he sold it such a low price. I honor you, Colonel Rangarao, and your team, and I respect you, sisters and brothers who are plot owners. But really be sincere. Unite and do something to make this place a heaven. Thank you very much. This is on Virendra DR channel, Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, with highest love and respect for everyone. Birds, beasts, animal, plants. Otherwise I cannot choose this heaven on earth as my permanent life till I die. Thank you.